students, today we are going to discuss part 8 of the chapter Advanced Horizon O level. Yes, up to now what we have studied that in this chapter Advanced Horizon O level, up to now we have studied that in HM prison, all the arrangements were done, all the precautions were done to see the Evans exam. Means nobody would like to give any opportunity to Evans to escape from the jail on the day of his examination. Okay, and we have gone through that two prison officer, Jackson and Stephen were recruited. Jackson and Stephen were recruited near his cell door to see the exam, to see whether Evans would run or not. Now we have to see exam was done smoothly, everything was completed smoothly, and finally McClary. Who was McClary? McClary was invigilator. Okay, and finally McClary called Stevens to open the cell's door, okay, and we have come to know at that time, that Stephen was at that time was getting the order of the governor at 11:22 a.m. Stephen was receiving the order of the governor. What? That Stephen had to escort McClary up to the prison main gate. So Stephen was very much happy. Why? Because he thought that governor had given him instruction. Although he was very new in the prison, but still governor had a trust on Stephen. He assumed it. किसने ऐसा assume किया? Stephen ने. Now we would see that exam was completed and McClary came out. Stephen opened the gate. Okay, and now Stephen would escort McClary up to the main gate. Okay, and then finally we would see that how did Evan escape from the jail. When everything was taken very seriously, Stephen was peeping into the hole during 2 hours during the examination. Then how did he escape from the prison? We will see. Okay, so page number 81. We will start from here. Governor heard the door clang for the last time the examination was over. How did he get on, do you think? Asked Stevens as he walked beside McClary to the main gate. So Stephen was getting what? Information. Stephen would like to know how did he perform in the exam. Evans ने पेपर कैसा किया? McClary को वो पूछ रहा है. Ouch! I cannot think he's distinguished himself. I'm afraid. I don't think that he would pass. McClary was informing Stephen कि मुझे नहीं लगता वो पास होगा. His Scott's accent seemed broader than ever, and his long overcoat. Okay, I have already informed you that he wore long black overcoat, reaching almost to his knees. Earlier, that coat was reaching below knees के नीचे जा रहा था, but now reaching up to his knees fostered the illusion. Stephen was getting the doubt. Stephen had a doubt over here. Fostered the illusion means he had a doubt. He was receiving one doubt that he had suddenly grown slimmer. Suddenly McClary got slimmer. उसको फील हो रहा है कि अचानक से McClary जो वो स्लिम हो गया, उसको ऐसा फील हो रहा है स्टीवन को. Stephen felt pleased, but Stephen ignored that thing. Why? Because he was happy, he was glad, as governor had given order to him, not to Jackson. So he was boast. वो बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे boast feel कर रहा है. Stephen felt pleased that the governor had asked him and not Jackson to see McClary off the premises, and all in all the morning had gone pretty well because first time Evans was not getting success. Okay, he could not escape from the prison. हम बाद में देखेंगे भागा नहीं भागा, but अभी तक सबको ये information that he did not escape from the jail because Evans was a jailbreaker. Thrice he had escaped from the prison. तो आज ये इंफॉर्मेशन है कि वो नहीं भागा है, एवरीथिंग गॉन प्रीटी वेल, बट समथिंग स्टॉप्ड हिम फ्रॉम, he said goodbye to McClary, okay, and McClary went away from the prison main gate, वो चला गया. Now Stephen was very much happy, he would like to enjoy a cup of coffee, okay. That cup of coffee he would like to have in the morning, but he could not due to exam schedule, okay. So but something stopped him from making his way directly to the canteen for a belated cup of coffee. He wanted to take just one last look at Evans. He wanted to be certain himself, वो खुद certain होना चाह रहा था कि that everything was in hand, everything was in control. It was like a program, means here Colin Dexter was explaining Stephen's behavior. He was comparing Stephen's behavior with an actress or with a woman who used to wake up late at night and check the lock door. वो रात में क्या करती थी, लॉक को चेक करती थी, okay. So same thing he was doing. He wanted to take just one look at Evans. It was like a program he had seen on TV about a woman who could never really convince herself, means she was never convinced, वो कभी convinced नहीं होती that she had locked the front door, means she had a doubt that she had not locked the front door, कि उसने lock नहीं किया front door को. So she woke up late at night and then she checked the door for 15 to 20 times, okay. When she had gone to bed, often she got up 12, 15, sometimes 20 times to check the bolts, to check the lock, whether she had locked or not. In the same way Stephen would like to get what surety, कि उसको क्या चाहिए, श्योर चाहिए, certainty चाहिए कि Evans was in the room, Evans was in his cell. He re-entered the wing, because we all know very well that two main gates are there before Evans' room. So he re-entered the wing and made his way along to Evans' cell and opened the peephole once more. Oh no Christ, what did he observe? उसने क्या observe कर लिया? Oh no Christ, Stephen was behaving like this way. Oh no Christ, they are sprawled back, okay, they are lying in Evans' chair was a man. For a semi-second, Stephen thought it must be Evan. For a semi-second, means the man who was on Evans' chair, lying on Evans' chair, was giving the impression of what? Evans for a second, but it could not be Evans. Because why? A grey regulation blanket slipping from, ordinary blanket that covered his body, slipping from his shoulders, okay. The front of his closely cropped. You all know very well that Evans had a long hair, but that man, front of his closely cropped hair, irregularly tufted hair, means what? Grass, okay. So in the same way, hair awash with fierce red blood. His hair was covered with what? Blood. उसके जो बाल थे, that person जो भी था वहाँ पे, who could be? McClary. So his hair covered with blood, उसके जो बाल थे वो पूरे कवर हो चुके थे ब्लड से. irregularly tufted hair awash with fierce red blood which had dripped means what? क्या कर रहे थे वो? ड्रिप हो रहे थे. ड्रिप का मीन्स व्हाट इज ड्रिप बेटा? फ्लो, जो कोई चीज़ जो होती है वो नीचे गिरती है, ओके, तो उसको हम कहते हैं ड्रिपिंग. इन स्लो movement going down. Dripped already through the small black bed. So from here blood was dripping on his body and blood covered this part of the hair यहाँ तक, and then covered the part of the what? Beard, उसकी दाढ़ी, black coat, and was even now spreading horribly over the white clerical collar and down into the black clerical front. So his face was not visible. Whose face? Person. Who was the person? McClary face was not visible and his face was covered with blood. Even his hair, black beard and coat, everything, whole body means up to the front part was covered with blood. Stephen shouted wildly for Jackson because he could not tolerate the situation, and the words appeared to penetrate the curtain of blood, and more blood was flowing from हेड. उसके किसके सिर से गिर रहा है बेटा? McClary के penetrate the curtain of blood that veiled McClary's ear. Now it was showing the condition of McClary. Now McClary's ear was blood was covering McClary's ears. For the minister, hand felt feebly for the handkerchief, and minister took out one handkerchief from his pocket. Point to be noted: handkerchief. Earlier, same handkerchief that was on the bunk. Number 2. Can you recall? Number 2 handkerchief. Penetrate. Okay. For the minister's hand felt feebly for the handkerchief from his pocket and held it to the bleeding head, and he put the handkerchief on his head to stop the blood. The blood sipping slowly through the white linen, and handkerchief was taking ब्लड सिपिंग, वो उसको ब्लड को जो है वो हैंडकरचिप में पूरा जो ब्लड है वो सिप हो रहा है. ही गेव ए लॉन्ग लो मोन. नाउ मैक्लरी वॉज गिविंग लॉन्ग लो मोन, मीन्स ही वॉज इन पेन एंड ट्राई टू स्पीक बट हिज वॉइस trailed away. He would like to speak but his voice was breaking, could not speak properly in pain. And by the time Jackson had arrived and dispatched Stephen, and he sent Stephen to ring the police. Jackson sent Stephen कि तुम जाओ पुलिस को कॉल करो, and the ambulance. The handkerchief was sticky and the handkerchief was wet with blood like a squelchy woj of cloth, like a what mop, बिल्कुल भीग गया था. It was like a wet cloth. Okay. And McClary slowly raised himself. Now McClary raised from the seat himself. His face twisted lightly with pain. He was twisting his face in pain and dying over it. He was not speaking, but he was speaking very means what short, धीरे धीरे बोला, very low, okay, voice. Dying of worry about the ambulance. Man, I'm right. Get the police. Inform police. Get the police. I know where he, means McClary was giving them what? Giving them confidence ki I know where Evans is. He closed his eyes in pain, and another drip of blood, more blood was splashed, fell down on the floor like a huge red raindrop on the wooden floor. His hand felt along the table, and then he would like to pick something from the table, found the German question paper and grabs it tightly, and he held the paper in his blood-stained hand. Get the governor. Please call the governor. I know where Evans. Almost immediately sirens were sounding. Why? Because now Evans had escaped from the jail. 4th time वो भाग चुका है. So prisoners had to go inside. Prisoners को जाना होगा अंदर में. Why? Because now the whole prison would be busy in Evans' search. Prison officers barked order. Doors were banged. Okay, doors were closed and bolted, and phones were ringing everywhere that Evans had escaped from the jail. And within a minute, McClary, with Jackson and Stephen supporting him on either side, his face now strict, bright and caked with drying blood. Okay, so now the condition is that McClary's face was not visible. Why? Because his face was covered with blood. पूरा जो blood हो चुका है, beard was covered with blood, and nobody can recognize whose face was it कि वो किसका फेस है, कोई नहीं रिकॉग्नाइज कर सकता है. ओके, वॉज ग्रेटेड इन प्रिजन यार्ड, एंड इन प्रिजन यार्ड डी विंग हु वॉज स्टैंडिंग गवर्नर, एंड ही कुड नॉट स्पीक. वाई? बिकॉज गवर्नर फेल्ट दैट ही हैड टू ब्लेम कि मेरी गलती है. I have called very innocent man McClary, and now he is in problem just because of me. Okay, perplexed, he was confused. Okay, he was sad. What to do? Because Evans had escaped from the jail. Okay, and now governor, everybody would make fun of governor. Okay, we must get you to hospital immediately. Please, sorry sir, we would like to call ambulance. Please come to hospital with me. I just don't want you to be in problem. You have called the police. Have you called the police? McClary was asking to governor, आपने पुलिस को बुलाया? But he was speaking not correct sentence. He was speaking in break. Okay, with break. He was taking break and then trailing voice में वो बोल रहा. Yes, they are on the way, but I'm right. Look, Awkwardly, he opened the German question paper and then he had shown that German question paper to governor and thrust it and put it before the governor's face. It's there. Do you see what I mean? It's there. Means everything was settled in board office. It's there. The governor looked down and realized what McClary was trying to tell him. Governor looked down, okay, and then governor took the question paper and he would like to go through the question paper. Why? Because he would like to understand what McClary was telling him, because McClary was blaming examination board that everything was the whole plan was arranged in in examination board. वो ऐसा बता रहा है McClary. So governor was trying to understand the situation and realized what McClary was trying to tell him. Photocopied, then governor had gone through a photocopied sheet, had been carefully and cleverly superimposed over the last page of the question paper. Then governor had gone through what? On the last page of the question paper, a photocopy sheet was attached over there, and governor then read what was written in the sheet. कि उस sheet पे क्या लिखा हुआ था. Governor would like to understand. As I have already cleared you that governor had already gone through what German language in the 6th grade में उसने पढ़ा हुआ है. So now governor would read the question paper, that photocopy sheet, what instructions were written over there for Evans. Okay, now we will see next video what was the clue in that question paper, and will governor get success in what? In catching Evans. क्या वो Evans को catch कर पाएंगे, नहीं कर पाएंगे? We will see in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.